Hi, my name is Brooke with WTI, and I have to show you AUVON's travel case for my TENS unit. This makes it really easy for me to actually bring my TENS unit with me. A lot of times I would have loved to use it, but I didn't want to bring it on a road trip, and I didn't want to bring it to work because I was worried about damaging my muscle stimulator. And I love this because now I'm able to bring my TENS unit with me. I'm able to enjoy it when I'm free at work, and I can bring it with me and not feel like I'm going to damage my 10 unit. In the past, I just leave it at home. There's a lot of times, like on road trips or when we're traveling in the car, that I prefer to have it with me since I have a lot of idle time. But I don't want to bring it because I don't want to damage it. But I love how organized this case is. On the inside, there's room for everything and then some. And if I do drop this case, it's protected on the inside because it's shockproof. It's also waterproof and dustproof, so it's going to keep my TENS unit safe from maybe water spill while I'm traveling or even dust from overtime. So if you're going to invest in yourself, I feel like for me it's nice to take care of the things you have already. And if you're going to use a muscle stimulator, there's a lot of times it can be used, I'm finding, even when I'm at work, and it's just nice to have it in my purse and available, and then I'm reaping all the benefits from it. AUVON did a great job with this travel case, and it's going to keep my muscle stimulator more available to me, and it's going to keep it from any damage. So I love this, and that is my point of view.